Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V LX. This vehicle is equipped with an LED daytime running light. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands, cruise control, be able to plug up your music through Bluetooth, USB, FM, you'll have an econ mode, as well as an electronic parking brake and brake hold. Power port, additional USB and power port, place to store your sunglasses, as well as a built-in mirror. You'll have all-weather floor mats in the back, as well as in the front, and a cargo tray. Capless fuel filler. This vehicle is also equipped with a backup camera, which has 3 views. And under the cargo tray, you'll have a spare tire with the toolkit. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call, 334-417-0406.